Welcome to Ultra Car Quest, where we explore the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the 2026 new Suzuki Thunder 125, a bike designed for everyday riders who want reliability, efficiency, and a fresh modern feel in a compact package. This new model aims to continue Suzuki's strong reputation in the commuter motorcycle segment. The 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 comes with a refreshed and sharper design that instantly feels more modern. The fuel tank features sporty lines, giving the bike a muscular stance despite its lightweight frame. The updated headlamp design and clean body panels add to its urban appeal, making it suitable for both city streets and daily commuting. Overall, the styling balances simplicity with a touch of sportiness. At the heart of the new Suzuki Thunder 125 is a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine built for smooth and consistent performance. This engine focuses on delivering steady power and excellent throttle response, ideal for stop-and-go traffic. Suzuki has tuned the engine for low vibration and quiet operation, ensuring a comfortable ride even during longer daily journeys. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Thunder 125 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Designed with economy in mind, this bike is expected to deliver excellent mileage, helping riders save on fuel costs. Suzuki's well-known reliability further enhances its value, making it a dependable option for students, office commuters, and first-time riders. The Suzuki Thunder 125 offers an upright riding position that reduces fatigue during daily use. The well-cushioned seat and balanced suspension setup provide a smooth ride over uneven roads. Its lightweight handling makes it easy to maneuver through traffic, while the stable chassis ensures confidence at higher speeds. For 2026, Suzuki has added practical features to improve the riding experience. A clear and easy-to-read instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance. The braking system is designed for controlled stopping power, adding an extra layer of safety for everyday riding. These features make the Thunder 125 a practical and user-friendly motorcycle. The 2026 new Suzuki Thunder 125 stands out as a smart choice for riders looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and reliable commuter bike. With its updated design, refined engine, and practical features, it fits perfectly into modern urban life. For more motorcycle updates and detailed reviews like this, stay connected with Ultra Car Quest.